OAS is a well-respected leader in the industry of Citrix technologies, Microsoft and VMware. There's many factors to consider when you're architecting an environment, from software, SAN, storage, hardware, and we are the go-to people in that design.
Argantic is a cloud enablement partner. We specialize in helping customers migrate to Microsoft's Office 365 and Azure and all the tools that are associated with that. We assist clients to move their on-premise infrastructure into a cloud world. And in doing so, we help them modernize their applications into what we call Azure native applications, and also helping them in right-sizing those applications to run efficiently in the Azure network.
Synergy IT's focus is on medium to large clients, and we build ERP solutions for them, which really means that they have a big infrastructure requirement. Traditionally, that would have been a whole lot of boxes, servers with flashing lights. We'd be counting disks and adding cables. And the real benefit to Azure is that we can give a client an enterprise-grade solution in the cloud really quickly.
10th Street Technology is a Joburg-based IT company established in 2002. We specialize in assisting SME companies with designing and implementing their IT solutions. With Microsoft products like Microsoft Azure, Microsoft Office 365, we can supply these services to SMEs at a fraction of the cost.
Each component in a design needs careful planning and consideration, and thereafter it is essential support, monitoring, maintenance in order to keep that environment optimal.
A common concern our clients have is regarding the surprise cost factor in Microsoft's Azure consumption model. In our partnership with Access, we have found it absolutely imperative that we can use their tools in their platform to assist us in monitoring those costs, getting reports on those costs, and also making sure that our customers don't end up with surprise billing.
So deploying client solutions in the cloud is really beneficial because the procurement cycle is greatly reduced. It's a really easy transaction for them, a simple agreement, and we start turning the services on. So the main benefit up front is that the project cycle is greatly reduced. From anything up to 3 months, if we approach the traditionally, we can now achieve that in a matter of days. And then once the client is up and running, the real benefit is they're getting a complete IT infrastructure solution without actually having to maintain the facilities, the staff, the warranties, the equipment. They're just consuming services from the cloud delivered by Azure.
Azure provides us these opportunities by providing solutions without some of the common issues that you do experience with physical setups. Azure negates any of these issues and helps us provide a world-class solution to SMEs within South Africa. Some of the solutions we do use, I would say, on most of our clients is stuff like the Azure Backup. We run backup servers, Azure Backup Server, site recovery, and we can even use NAS devices to do online backups.
For OAS and our client, we chose the route of using Azure for their backup functionality. It also provided a way for the client to explore other features, showing that Azure is not simply a destination, but a journey.
The Argantic and Access partnership has allowed us to provide world-class applications to our clients' users, applications that they can trust and solutions that they use every day in their businesses.
The vision of Access was shared with us and they took us on that journey. Step one, let's get clients into the cloud. Let's start giving the clients the benefit. But ultimately, let's simplify that transaction. Let's get away from complex agreements and contracts and really just have the clients consuming services and paying monthly for those services.
Access assists us by getting these services out to our SME clients quickly and easily.
With the help of our cloud provider Access, we created the tenant on our client cloud and procured the Azure service through our cloud service provider Access. Their guidance was particularly useful as a client's consumption can spiral right out of control if it is not monitored correctly. So in addition, this option has the ability to set limits and flag a value, which is beneficial to both the client and ourselves. As a Citrix partner, For over 28 years, it was really surprisingly easy to get our customers up and running so smoothly and so easily. Watch this space for future deployments on Azure, Citrix, and open architecture systems.
There's this digital transformation that both supports and delivers the changes our clients need for the solutions that they can trust. Words like engage, empower, optimize, and transform are the words that we use to describe customers and their Azure journey.
Access is a solutions aggregator. We've been around for about 30 years. Access Cloud is a big part of what we do, and the most exciting thing for us is how many brands we will very soon have on our Access Cloud platform. The role we play in the channel is to make sure our partners get holistic and first-tier solutions from us. We have dedicated teams across a lot of our brands, and the most exciting thing for us really has been the Microsoft Cloud Solution Provider Program. What is CSP? CSP is our way to provision licenses for our partners and for them to get the best software they can for their customers' best benefits. Small and mid-sized businesses want the power to transform their business in the best way that they can. The cloud is ideal for a lot of customers and a lot of resellers to focus their business on the most efficient way that they can to give the best services to their customers. Azure from Microsoft fits in perfectly with that. Why is Azure effective? Well, it's easy to scale up, it's easy to scale down. It prevents a whole lot of high risk purchases in terms of big investments up front. And why? Because you typically only pay for what you consume. How exciting is that for a reseller or for an end customer? Only really paying for the services that you use. It obviously works ideally with other Microsoft software and services like Microsoft Windows Server, SQL Server, Exchange, and SharePoint. Access has a team of experts in our Microsoft business unit. We have experts on both Office 365 implementation and Azure implementations. It's quite a daunting task for a reseller to try and understand Azure, embrace it, and able to implement it at their customers at rapid speed. We offer the guidance, we offer the technical support, and most importantly, we actually work with our partners in conjunction with their end customers to make sure they're using Azure for what they need to do.